Here I have Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to the system, it's the very last icon, and now select the first tab, which is languages and input. And now pick languages, and here you can add some language, just tap on add a language, and let me pick, for example, Filipino. And now, just by tapping on this language and swiping it up to the first place, you made a Filipino the main language, the default one. So everything on your device will be in Filipino, as you can see, the menu, all the settings, everything. So let's go back. And now you can delete some language from this list just by tapping on this three dots icon in upper corner, then select remove in English and Filipinos, the different one, the different word, select the languages that you would like to delete, and then tap on bin icon. Confirm it by tapping on OK. And that's it. Now you are back in English language. So as you can see, it's easy, you can simply change it anytime you want. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.